Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. It's me Abdul Ghaffar, a graphic designer, and this is my channel Creatophics. So in this video we'll learn how to create a colorful abstract wavy background like this in simple steps using the blend tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I will draw a rectangular shape according to the artboard size using the rectangle tool. And pick a color from the color palette. Next I will lock the selection to easily work on it. Now I will draw the lines one by one using the pen curvature tool and choose colors from the palette accordingly. Let me draw the first line. Now I will select the color from the palette. I will fast forward the video to save your time and repeat the same steps to draw the lines and copy the colors from the palette which I have chosen already. Next I will select all the lines and go to object, go to blend options and choose the selection to 1000 points and then go again to object, blend and click make. So here we go. Now your colorful abstract shapes are ready. To finalize the design, I will create a selection and select the wavy colorful shape and the upper selection. Then right click and click clipping mask, and there you have it. Your colorful abstract background is ready and you can use it for many purposes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more graphic design tutorials like this. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.